Shifting focus to some big breaking news now coming in straight from Maharashtra. It's an unfortunate one. The death toll has risen in Dombivli blast case. We are learning that 9 people have now lost their lives and over 60 others got injured after a major fire erupted following a boiler explosion at a chemical factory in Dombivli, Maharashtra on Thursday. Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde has reached the hospital to meet injured is the word that we have received from the ground. We have CNN News 18's Yasha Kotak joining us on the broadcast. Yasha, bring us all the details that you have about all the angles being probed in this case. Who is exactly at fault and what is the word coming in from Maharashtra's government?
Yes, in fact, this instance took place yesterday wherein a boiler in Dombivli, there was a blast at a boiler in Dombivli. In fact, there were huge plumes of smoke which was seen, and the sound of the explosion was heard as far as 3 kilometers away. Following which, this company that we speak of is the Ember Chemical Company. It is in the MIDC area of Dombivli. Now, here, like you mentioned, that there have been 9 deaths which have been reported. There can be more than 60 who were injured. Following this incident, we have in fact seen that the Chief Minister of Maharashtra has reached the location. Apart from that, the local MP, so far, Shrikant Shinde, who is the son of Eknath Shinde, who is also contested the election, he has visited along with Uday Samant. Here now, the probe is being done. Those who are still recovering were taken to Neptune Hospital, Global and AIIMS Hospital. Now they're trying to understand that what was the cause of these incidents. How did the boiler blast really take place? As of now, the Chief Minister has also announced that there will be a case of culpable homicide that will be charged against the concerned person, that is the owner of the factory. Apart from that, there has also been announcement of a compensation worth rupees 5 lakh for those who've lost their lives, and the state government will also pay for the hospital treatment of those who've been injured. Yes.
Right, Yasha, thank you so much for bringing us all those crucial updates. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates on that story. Right now, shifting focus to the state.